Hi, welcome. Thank you for being here today. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing a master of my last album. Just finished with the mixing, and I'm doing a master because I did everything in this album. I play drums, bass, rhythm guitars, lead guitars. A brand new instrument that I discovered is very useful, which is the piano. I play piano in this album as well. And I did everything. I make the recording, the arrangements, the production, the mixing, everything. This is not only like a one-man band, but it's like a one-man everything. So I hope the record will be finished in September, and I hope you like it. Why a new record? Why? Okay, why a new record? But that's a good question, because in fact this is not a new record. No. This record, I started to record this album in January 2011. At the same time that I started recording the Plan B album. But as you know, Plan B was more or less the same that I was doing during my entire life. There's a lot of echo on the guitars, using Fender Strats, a kind of repertoire that really is surfing and instru rock. But I want to do another thing, and I want to do something more jazzy. So at the same time that I was recording Plan B, I record Cleaning Up. Cleaning Up is this brand new album, but it's not a new album because, as I told you, I started recording at the same time that Plan B. And Cleaning Up, I was trying to clean up with all my past and do a different thing, because I think that it was about time to do another things, to keep on digging on the future of the music, my music in a way. So there's no more Fender Strats, there's no more echo bouncing from left to right. This is Gibsons, this is Epiphones, this is Gretsch guitars instead, Fenders. And the repertoire is different. It's more easy listen, more quiet, and a little bit of rock as well, but my view of rock and roll, which is what I try to do now. You say that why another album? Well, because I need to stop with all the ideas that can be shackled to my musician passes, and that's what I did this brand new album. That I hope you like it anyway. Probably people will say that this is no jazz, this is not surf, this is nothing. Probably it's true, but that's what I want to do anyway. So, but you want to listen to something? Okay, let's play something from this album.
Mm-hmm.